Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Rico and I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna talk to y'all about how these TikTokers just run it up on TikTok and how to make money on TikTok. So like always, if you like my content, please don't hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe. That would mean the world to me and it helps my channel grow. So that's enough of me talking. Let's get into the video y'all came to see. So if you ain't heard of TikTok, basically bro, you've been living under a rock. Especially in 2020, TikTok is probably the fastest growing platform right now. All the kids, all the teenagers are on there, basically making all sorts of videos, dance videos. Some are even skits. It's pretty much replaced Vine as far as the leader, as far as in that type of content. So TikTok is exploding. I've been getting a lot of people asking me like, bro, how do you grow on TikTok? How do you grow on TikTok? And honestly, I don't know. And the reason why I don't know, because I've never tried it. I never got into TikTok. I should. Everybody's telling me, bro, if you're trying to grow your YouTube, you need to be on TikTok. So I think I might take it that way, but I haven't just as of yet. So while TikTok isn't like YouTube to where you're getting paid directly off of monetization from ad revenue and stuff like that, it's still a very monetizable, not sure if that's a word, y'all gonna correct me in the comments if it is. You can still make some money on that platform. So today I'm gonna give you a couple ways on how they do it and also how you can do it, how you can make a little money. All right, so this is pretty much how TikTokers make money. I'm gonna give you a couple different ways. The first way, and this is once again when I do these 5 ways or whatever type of ways, it's never in no particular order. So one of the first ways is selling your own product or service. That's how most influencers make their money. Now, disclaimer to this is, of course, you have to grow an account, build an account, and like I said, I don't know how to do that, but I will. If I get enough people in the comments to say, hey, take the challenge, I will take the challenge and showing y'all in a YouTube series how to grow one, and I'm gonna be learning on the fly. So let me know in the comments if you want to see that. But anyway, you have to have a pretty decent sized TikTok account to make any sort of money off of it. And that pretty much goes for any social media platform besides Instagram, but we'll get into that. That's another topic for another day. But anyway, if you have your own product or service, you can start shooting video and showcasing that product and service to your followers. And at the end of these videos, what you should do is make sure to add a call to action. Ask them to do something at the end of your video. Send them somewhere. I told y'all on another video how to go buy bulk iPhone cases or iPhone chargers, and hey, send them there. Make you a little website on Shopify and send them there. That's just one way to do it. Another way to do it, I'm sure a lot of y'all have heard of this, is earnings on affiliate programs. Okay, earning through an affiliate program is simple, but it can be challenging. Okay, the biggest challenge is coming up with a video idea for a particular offer. Okay, so I know, like with Amazon affiliates, right, which is what I'm trying to use to monetize my channel until YouTube go ahead and bless me, please, YouTube gods. Anyway, before they come through and bless me with monetization, affiliate links is something that I've been trying to capitalize on. And it's basically with, like I said, with Amazon, boom, I link a product, you click on that product, you go buy it, I get a commission off of that. There's a lot of companies who are looking for people like you who want to help them sell their products. So if you're in a specific niche on TikTok, then look for products in your niche and say, hey, I want to be an affiliate. I want to help you sell your products. No business is ever really going to turn you down on an offer like that. So you need to be very creative and be selective with the offers you want to promote with your followers. Don't just be that person who just selling anything, passing off anything. And this is how I'm noticing, some of the top people on TikTok who are earning on TikTok. I can peep out quick when somebody's making money. It's like an X-ray vision or something. I don't know. But it's my hustle. I call it the hustler sense. That's what I call it. So don't forget to add a call to action at the end of your videos, your link in bio. Utilize that to the best of your ability. Use some affiliate links. I'll put some information down low about just what an affiliate program is, what an affiliate link is, and just a short explanation. If I'm a company and I have products and I'm looking for you to be an affiliate, I would tell you, hey, if you can get people to come to my store and order, I'll give you a percentage of that. So that's basically all it is. So another way that you can make some money on TikTok, and how I'm noticing the top influencers and the top people on TikTok, is advertising other people's profiles, right? So this is shout outs. You're sort of marketing in a way, sort of, but you're basically building your personal brand up to the point to where people will pay you to come do shout outs. Actually, that's a good video idea. I might do a if shout outs are worth it, because I think they are, and I got a good reason to show y'all. So advertising other people's profiles, there's, this is the simplest way to make money, because you can mention another person, and if you have a large audience, then you can earn by advertising users of social networks and their creativity. Okay, so in addition to that, TikTok formats such as duet and reaction videos make it easy to draw attention to other people's profiles. So, you give them a creative shout out. That's basically what that saying is. Give them a creative shout out. Give them something that's, hey, instead of, hey, go follow this person, me reacting to this person's video, or, me collaborating with this person. So people will pay you for that. Okay. Another way is monetization of live gifts. Okay. So you can only do that when you're broadcasting live. When you go live on TikTok, you can only, earn virtual gifts by broadcasting live. The feature is only available to those with 1,000 or more followers. Just like YouTube, they be trying to hate on the smaller people. I'm just playing YouTube, guys. I wasn't talking down on y'all, but if people are pleased with your video, they can send gifts as tips. Okay, and each gift is worth a certain number of coins. Okay, there's some for 5 coins, 25 coins, 50 coins, 100 coins, 500 coins, 1,000, 5,000. Okay, now the gifts you receive can be converted into diamonds, and then you can cash in. Okay, diamonds are worth 50% of the value of coins. So that's TikTok's way of saying, come here, I want some of that. So if you have 100 diamonds, you can cash it in for $50. However, TikTok keeps 50% of your $50, so you really only get $25. So that's still money, and if you dedicate yourself to it, you can build yourself up to the point to where you're doing that. Without me ever being on TikTok, I can already give you a piece of advice, and that's for any platform, which is what I'm trying to do. Is original good content is always gonna win, even if it doesn't win overnight. So I'm betting on that, and I think that's what's gonna happen. Another way, and this is one of the final ways, man, is to cooperate with brands. Once you get to a certain point, brands are gonna start reaching out to you like, hey bro, you watching this, we've been noticing your numbers on TikTok, bro, and I want to pay you to advertise my products, to wear my products, to be a walking billboard for my products. So this is a good way to make more money, and it can help you get more followers if you're working with a good company that has good products and good services. So those are just a couple ways, man. I try to keep it brief. A couple of y'all told me my videos was too long, so I try to keep it brief now. But y'all let me know down in the comments if this helps you, or if this helps you understand how people make money on TikTok. No, you don't make ad revenue. They haven't monetized it to that degree yet. However, I'm pretty sure that's going to be coming as it grows and more advertisers start to pitch money in and pour money into that platform. Then they're going to be forced to share some with the creators. So I hope y'all like this video, man. I'm gonna sign out for the night. Like always, if you like my content, please don't hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe. Go tell a friend and tell a friend, and we're gonna just keep it like that. So man, we love everybody out there. Peace to the world. Let's get it.